for sale on eBay today is a very nice Biro EMG-32 mixer grinder. It's a heavy-duty commercial model. It's 208 three-phase. It's a very nice unit in very good condition, as you can see. It came out of a butcher shop. They bought it new, so it's coming from the original owner to you. They went out of business and sold the machine. So it's not been passed around to a lot of owners. It's coming from the original owner to you, which is always a good thing. As you can see, as I said, it's in good condition. Comes with a new plate and blade, 4 rolling locking casters, rolls very easily. Also comes with the pneumatic remote foot switch. So what we're going to do right now is we have it plugged into our 3-phase converter. We're going to turn our 3-phase converter on in a second. You'll hear it humming. And then we're going to turn it on. We're going to go through the different settings. Right now, we have it set from the foot control to a hand control. You have your mixing paddles here, green button, and your green button for your auger. It's got a stainless steel auger on these EMG-32s, which is a great feature. Also, we can put it on mixing, or we can put it on just grind, to where the auger works and the paddles turn to grind and mix, and we can just put it on mix just to mix, and the mixing paddles turn the opposite way. So right now we'll put it on grind so we can show you everything, and then we're going to go, and this lid has to be down because of the safety, but we're going to show you inside the holes and show you the machine running, how smoothly it runs, and everything's in great condition. It also has a lid that comes down slowly, latches, and it's also got the guard on front for the meat. Okay, what we're going to do right now is we're going to take the camera and turn on our 3-phase power, as I said, and get up close to the unit, operate it just for a minute, and you'll see how smoothly it runs. Now we're going to turn on our 3-phase power converter. And as I said, you've got different things you can do here. We can set this for our remote foot control here. It's pneumatic. It's in great condition, as you can see, the hose and the pedal. Right now we're going to set it on the hand operation, so we can use it with the buttons. There's your grind. The paddles turn, the mixing paddles, and the auger turns. And this is just for mixing, where the paddles turn the opposite way just to mix. So we're going to turn on everything here. We're going to turn on the paddles first and show you how smoothly they run. You can barely hear it. They're turning now, as you can see. Very nice. And we'll turn on the auger to run at the same time. Now you can see the paddles turning and also the auger. New plate and blade, as I said. We'll go ahead and shut the auger off first. Then we'll shut the paddles off. And we'll go over here and turn our 3-phase power converter off. Let's take a walk around the machine first, and we'll show you the overall condition. As you can see, it's in great shape. Nice head on it. It's all been cleaned and checked out. Make sure it's in great operating condition. Comes with the tool for the ring on the head. Your locking casters. Rolls very easily. And your pneumatic foot control there. Tub's in great condition. Body's in great shape. As you can see. Again, it was a one-owner machine. Butcher shop bought it new, used it, always had it serviced by the Biro dealer. Took very good care of it and sold it when they went out of business. Okay, we're going to open it up, look inside. Lid's in great shape, all stainless steel. You can see down in here you've got a stainless steel auger. It's all in great shape. All the paddles. And you can see the tub is in great condition. Very nice. Biro EMG-32 mixer grinder. As always, I offer free palletizing, crating, and shipping to the buyer within the continental U.S. And if there are any questions, my name is Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.